the Igbo phrases. Okay, ndị ọwọ no abụ Kwenet Ogachukwu haya. Tata ihe anyị nwere ihe a na-akpọ quiz, a na-akpọ ya ajụjụ, ịza ajụjụ. Ọ ga-enwe nke unu ncha ga-aza, nwee nke ofu onye ga-aza nke ya. Okay, so all of you will do group and then we do individuals. But before we do that, I'm going to go over the Igbo phrases. So I'll go over the Igbo phrases before we use 30 minutes to do that. And then we come back and then we do the quiz. So everybody, I hope you are ready. Amarachi ndewo, Amarachi kedu? Amarachi Odenigbo kedu?
Adema.
Adem mma, sim adem mma.
Adem mma.
So anytime I ask kedu, say adem mma, okay? All right. Okay, so everybody, we're going to do Igbo phrases, okay? Igbo phrases. We're going to do a lot of them. I'm going to share the page with you guys. And now I'm going to sing that song again. And please don't forget to sing this song. Don't forget to learn it, because next week I might ask you to be the one to sing the song, okay? So please, if you don't know the song, go and listen to the recording. Or if you don't have it, tell me. I'm going to send you the song, okay? Tabunkwo, echi bu orio, nwanne chaburu eke, nwanne chaburu afọ egwugwu. Ụbọchị ahụ ka anyị ga-eme mmanwụ, anyị ga-eti mmanwụ, anyị ga-eme mmanwụ. Ụbọchị ahụ ka anyị ga-eme mmanwụ, anyị ga-eme mmanwụ, anyị ga-eti mmanwụ, anyị ga-eme mmanwụ. Ụbọchị ahụ ka unu ga-eme ngene, ụbọchị ahụ ka anyị ga-eme mmanwụ, anyị ga-eti mmanwụ, anyị ga-eme mmanwụ. Ụbọchị ahụ ka anyị ga-eme mmanwụ, anyị ga-eme mmanwụ, anyị ga-eti mmanwụ, anyị ga-eti ya eti. Ụbọchị ahụ ka unu ga-eme ngene, ụbọchị ahụ ka anyị ga-eme mmanwụ, anyị ga-eti mmanwụ, anyị ga-eme mmanwụ. Ụbọchị ahụ ka anyị ga-eme mmanwụ, anyị ga-eti mmanwụ, anyị ga-eme mmanwụ, anyị ga-eti ya eti. So just for fun, go and learn it. And next week, I want somebody to sing it. Okay. All right. So right now, I'm going to share a page. And I say we're doing like some Igbo phrases. Igbo phrases like some of the daily words we use in the house every day or out there with our friends, our parents, so use those words and pay attention when I'm going over those words, because I want you to know how to say them in Igbo. And then you're going to use those words when you're talking to your mommy and daddy, your uncles and aunties, grandma, grandpa, and your friends. Okay, so let me share a page here. Okay, so here anyị nwere ime tata. Tata means today, or you can say tata, or ta means today. Tata means today. I can't stress it enough. Tata means today. And please make sure you're not going to mute yourself. And no talking. I want everybody to listen to me. Just keep listening to Auntie, and then there will be time for you to ask me a question. Do not touch your screen and don't unmute, please, because I don't want you to distract anybody in the class. Just listen to me. And if you have a question, make sure you have a book, your Igbo notebook, and you write it Igbo beginner class, so that every time you're coming to class, you come with your notebook and pen or pencil. Then when Auntie is teaching, if you have a question that you're going to ask me, don't stop me. Don't ask the question. Just write the question down so that you won't forget to ask me that question. So that's how we go do it in this class. And when there is time for questions, and then you raise your hand up, And then I will say, okay, ask question. And then you say your name, introduce yourself. Ahambo Amarachi. Or you can say Ahambo Ikenna. Okay, enwerem ajụjụ. Enwerem ajụjụ means I have a question. Enwerem ajụjụ. You see how I'm moving my mouth, my lips. Enwerem ajụjụ. Enwerem ajụjụ. Aham bụ. Aham means my name. Or you can say afam, depending on your dialect. Any way your parents say it at home, or your friend, or wherever you live, just use that dialect, okay? But we teach Central Igbo here. But speak the way your parents are speaking. It is okay. It is allowed. Ahambo, or you can say afambo. Then you say your name. So for example, Ahambo Ogochukwu. My name is Ogochukwu, means God's gift. Okay, and every one of you, make sure you know the meaning of your name. If you don't know it, after this class, go to your mommy or your daddy, and please, what's the meaning of my name? What is the meaning of my Igbo name? If you don't have Igbo name yet, tell me. We need to give you an Igbo name. Okay, so, but make sure you find out what your name, what it means. You need to know, because every Igbo name is unique. Unique because it has a meaning. It has a meaning, and you should be proud of your Igbo name. Okay. All right. So moving on. Today means what? Tata, tata, or you can say ta. So tata, anyị nwere ihe a na-akpọ okwu Igbo. Okay. Okwu Igbo means Igbo words. Okay. Igbo phrases. Igbo words. All right. Now, Igbo phrases are things you use every day. You always commonly use words frequently, either in your house or at school. But I know you don't speak Igbo at school. But when you're interacting with the members of your household, or your friends, your uncles and aunties, then you can speak. Even your siblings, speak Igbo to them. If you know it, speak it. Okay, and if mommy and daddy are speaking English, tell them to speak Igbo to you. All right, when you see somebody or you want to say hello, hi, it is the sentence as hello, kedu, ndewo, epo ala. You see that? So don't be confused when somebody is passing you by. You're playing in front of your yard, or you're walking in your garden, and somebody say ndewo or kedue. It's just an exclamation. It's a way of saying hi, hello. You see, so don't be confused. And then when I say kedu, how are you? That's the short form of how are you. Don't say, because kedu is how. Kedu is how. But when somebody asks you, kedu, without saying kedu ka imere, it means how are you? How are you today? Okay, so when I say kedu, and you say ademumma, when I say kedu ka imere, it's also ademumma. If you're ademumma means I'm fine. No, when you're not fine, don't tell me ademumma. You say adegem mma. Adịghị mma. When I say, kedu ka ụbọchị gara? Kedu ka akwụkwọ siri ga? Kedu ka akwụkwọ siri ga taa? You went to school, you came back, and mommy said, or daddy said, kedu ka akwụkwọ siri ga? How did school go today? Maybe I noticed that you are not feeling well. Your face is so moody, and daddy will say, oh, gịnị mere? What happened? Gịnị mere? What happened? Okay, I'm gonna put it here. Gịnị mere? What happened? Gịnị means what? Okay, say, what happened? It's a question. Ajụjụ. Question means ajụjụ. Ajụjụ. Gịnị mere? Okay, gịnị mere? Maybe you are not looking happy, And I said, whoa, Guinea mere. Guinea mere. At least if you learn to ask that question today. You see mommy or daddy coming home, they're not happy. You look at their faces. Hey, Papa, Papa Guinea mere. Miss Daddy, what's wrong? What's happening? What happened? What is wrong? It's just purely what is wrong? What happened? What's going on? You know those things. Guinea mere. Guinea mere. Are you okay? Edekwa mma. Are you okay? Edekwa mma means are you okay? Okay, so I'm gonna type that one too. Are you okay? Edekwa mma. Are you okay or are you all right? Are you okay or all right? Are you all right? Are you all right? Edekwa mma. Edekwa mma. Now, when you are spelling, if you see how I'm pronouncing all these letters, because in Igbo words, you don't miss a letter. Every letter must be pronounced. Mma. And then the first M, the mma, you can tell now. The first M, mma. Ma. The first M is ma, which is M and A. Okay. So edekwa. So when you hear something, the only time you're going to miss spelling when you're writing Igbo word is if you do not pronounce it correctly. You have to pronounce the word. You have to pronounce it. And sometimes you hear some people saying the word, maybe due to their dialect, the way it sounded to you. You're going to write it and you miss the spelling. It happens a lot of times, so it happens. All right, so, but now that you're taking the class, you're learning how to speak the language, understand, not just understand, how to speak it as well, how to write it, how to pronounce it, and also punctuating, okay? Because if you're writing it when you do not punctuate it correctly, the chance of you missing the pronunciation is there. Because if I'm going to write the regular O, and then I write the other irregular O with a point underneath, then I'm bound to miss it. Because the one with the point is O, the regular one without a point underneath is O. So the sound is a bigger thing when it comes to Igbo language and Igbo words. And then the vowels, if you know your vowels, know your alphabet pronunciations, you'll be fine. Okay, now, are you okay or are you all right? Now, we're moving on. I will say, what is your name? What is your name? Gịnị bụ afa gị? Gịnị bụ aha gị? What is your name? And sometimes you might not hear it that way. What you will hear is aha gị ọ bụ gịnị? So there are so many ways you can twist it, you can switch it. It is still the same thing. Gịnị bụ aha gị? And don't wait to hear all the time. Gịnị bụ aha gị? You can also hear. The person might put it this way. Aha gị ọ bụ gịnị? The person might also say, gwa m aha gị. Gwa m aha gị. Let me repeat again. Gịnị bụ aha gị? It means what is your name? Aha gị ọ bụ gịnị? Also, what is your name? Gwa m aha gị. Tell me your name. Tell me your name. Gwa m aha gị. Somebody can say, kedu aha gị? Or kedu afa gị? Okay, so gịnị bụ aha gị? Or kedu afa or aha gị? I can also say, tell me your name. Okay, so let's say, tell me your name. Your name. Gwam. Tell me. Tell me means gwam. Tell means gwa. See that? When you separate it, tell. Gwa. Me. Tell me. Gwam. Gwa. You are hearing the alphabet here, GW. GW because they're together. Gwam. Ahage. Tell me your name. Gwam. Ahage. Now, don't be confused when you hear Ahage Obogene. Ahage Obogene. What is your name? And also, Gene Ahage. What is your name? It means the sentence. Okay, tell me your name. Gwam Aha. Okay, we can say Aha or Afa. Okay, tell me your name. That's what it is. Tell me your name. Okay, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Good to meet you. Good, good to see you. It means obi dị m ụtọ. Obi dị m ụtọ. Ụtọ and the mma. It means the sentence. You can say obi. You see, my heart is like, I am. Okay? Obi dị m ụtọ. Or you can say obi dị m mma. I am happy. It means obi. Like when you're saying something in Igbo, Igbo is like a way of getting it home. Like, I am happy. When you hear Obi, Obi is your chest, okay? Obi is chest. Mkpụrụ obi is your heart. But Igbo people, when they're trying to express themselves, they say, Obi dị m mma. Mma also means ụtọ. Ụtọ means sweet, okay? Sweet, something that is sweet and happy. So in Igbo, sometimes interchangeably we use them. Obi dị m ụtọ. Whenever something, you say something dị ụtọ or something dị mma, it means that thing is good or that thing is sweet or happy. So you see how we use words. And that's why it's very important for you to know this is what it is. And don't be confused when you hear it. And be like, oh, I don't know what it is. But you do. Obi dị m mma, I am happy. Obi dị m ụtọ, I am happy. It means the sentence. Okay. Say obi dị m ụtọ or obi dị m mma. You see that I said here. If you can see the screen, obi dị m ụtọ ịmata onye bụ. I am so happy to get to know you. Okay. I am so happy to see you. Obi dị m ụtọ ịhụ gị. I am happy to see you. Obi dị m ụtọ ịhụ gị. Obi dị m mma ịhụ gị. Both of them, they mean I am happy to see you. Okay? Now, obi dị m mma etu anyị siri hụ. Etu anyị siri fụ. I am so happy that we get to see. I am happy that we get to see. Or how we met. Or how we met. Etu anyị siri hụ. How we met. Okay? All right. Now, again, how are you? See? Kedu. And don't be confused when that person does say kedu ka ị mere. I keep saying this because some people, when I ask them kedu, they kept on looking at me. Until I say kedu ka ị mere. It means the same. Kedu ka dị m mma. Ọ adịghị m mma. Kedu ka ị mere. Adị m mma. Ọ adịghị m mma. Kedu ka mama gị mere. Ọ dị mma. If you're coming to this class and tomorrow I ask you kedu, and you kept on telling me ọ dị mma, you are wrong. It is Adam because I am talking to you direct. And I ask about you, I didn't ask about he or she or it. When you say Odema, either you're referring to it, which is my days, okay, or my issy, or she, he, my mother, my father, or my sibling, my friend. So when you are referring, you're referring to something else, subject or object. Okay, so when you say them, ma, it means I am fine. Them ma, always. When somebody says kedu ka ị mere, that person is talking to you. But when that person says kedu ka, how is your day going? Kedu ka ụbọchị si aga? How is the day going? How did you go today? High school. Then you say, oh. Okay, moving on. I'm good, thanks. I am good, thanks. Adị m mma, daalụ. Daalụ means thank you. Daalụ. Adị m mma, daalụ. I am good, thanks. You don't need to write anything because I'm going to post the note. Okay, so I'm gonna post it. Your parent or you can print it out. So don't write. The only thing you're going to write is to jot down any question because I want you to listen to me. Listen. So the note is already made for you. You don't need to be worried. But if you want to write something down, go ahead and do that. Okay. How about you? Okay. When you say somebody say, how are you? Fine. And how about you? And how about you? Or and you? These are ways you can say that. Gị nwakwanụ. See? Gị, you. Gị means you. Gị nwakwanụ. That's how you say. Gị kwanu. You can also say gị kwanu. You can say gị nwakwanụ. Or you can say gị kwanu. So, and you, that's what it means. And you. Okay. We have 7 more minutes before we start the quiz. I know why I'm going over this because you're gonna see it. All right. What language do you speak? Kedu asụsụ? Language always in Igbo is asụsụ. Language means asụsụ. Kedu asụsụ ịma? What language do you speak? Now listen, when we say speak, kedu asụsụ ị na-asụ? Asụ when you speak. When I say kedu asụsụ ịma, it's different from speak. The language you know is different from the language you speak. So don't mix them together. When I say, what language do you speak? The meaning is, kedu asụsụ ị na-asụ? Kedu asụsụ ị na-asụ? And when I say, what language do you know? Knowing something and speaking something, they are two different things. Okay? Okay. Kedu asụsụ ịma? The language you know. It's not the same thing as the language you speak. You might know several hundred thousands of languages, but you don't speak them. That doesn't mean you know them. So when you're speaking, it will be specific. Try to be specific. Kedu asụsụ ịma? What language do you know? Kedu asụsụ ị na-asụ? What language do you speak? What are the languages that you speak? Okay, so try to differentiate. Now, do you understand Igbo or Latin? Do you understand is different from do you know speaking it? Okay, understanding something or hearing something, they're two different things. Okay, do you understand Igbo or Latin? Ena, aghọta, understand means ịghọta. Do you understand me when I say ena aghọta m? Ena aghọta m. Aghọ, aghọ. See how I'm pronouncing it? Ena aghọta m. It's here. Aghọta. Ena. See here. Ena aghọta m. Ena aghọta m. Do you understand me? Now, ena aghọta asụsụ Igbo ma ọ bụ ọ. The OR in Igbo is ma ọ bụ. Ma ọ bụ nke Latin. Ị na-aghọta asụsụ Igbo ma ọ bụ nke Latin. Okay? And whenever we are writing something in Igbo, like for instance, if you want to write table in English, even though in Igbo sound, it is sounded just the same, similar, but the writing, the written, the Igbo word is different. Teburu, teburu. So don't be confused. You have to write it in Igbo alphabets, the way it sounded, not in English way. Because in Igbo, you don't muffle letter. It has to come out the way you pronounced it. Okay. All right. I do not understand French. I do not understand French. Now, you see how you say that? Anaghị m aghọta. Let me maximize it a little bit so I help you. Anaghị m aghọta asụsụ. You have to really put that asụsụ there. Okay, just to make it big for you to see. Okay. Anaghị m aghọta. See that? See here, I'm going to highlight it. Anaghị m aghọta asụsụ. It's highlighted. I do not understand French. Anaghị m means in a negative form. I do. Anam. I don't. Anaghị m. Anaghị m aghọta. Aghọta asụsụ. Asụsụ always is a language. Anaghị m aghọta asụsụ Spanish. Anaghị m aghọta asụsụ French. Anaghị m aghọta asụsụ Igbo, you know. So make sure you know anaghị is something that when you put that GHI, it's always in a negative way. Anam, anaghị, enwere, enweghị, eriri, erighị, eriri nri, I ate food. Erighị nri. You see, so erighị nri. Eriri nri. Enwere akwụkwọ. I have a book. Enweghị akwụkwọ. Enwere akwụkwọ. Enweghị akwụkwọ. You see how you say it? So, well, we're going to get to the negative, positive, and positivity and negativity infinitive. So we're going to do that. Do not unmute yourself. Please mute. Now, we're going to go down to speak Igbo language to me. Sụọra m Igbo. Mama, sụọra m Igbo. Papa, sụọra m Igbo. Speak Igbo to me. Sụọra m Igbo. Please. And I know some of you in your household, I met like some of you that are 4, 3, 2. I met somebody, a captain there. And I said every month, I'm going to follow up. And I'm going to do that. So if you know you are the captain in the house, to make sure that you enforce it, telling mommy and daddy and your siblings to speak Igbo to you. If you have your grandma in the house, or your grandpa, or your uncle or aunt, tell them, Sụọra m Igbo. Somebody is a captain in the house. And I have not forgotten. I'm going to follow up. Okay? All right. So make sure you're doing your job. Reminding them to speak Igbo to you. Sụọra anyị. When you use anyị, you're including yourself and your siblings. But if it's only you, sụọra m Igbo. Sụọra m. The M is possessive. Sụọra m Igbo. Sụọra anyị. When you are in a group, like with somebody else, you're representing and you're speaking on behalf of others. Anyị. Sụọra anyị. Okay? Don't forget. Now, we're going to stop here because we have a quiz today. So now, this is what you're going to do. I'm going to stop sharing the page now. And I'm going to share page Quizlet. So I'm going to tell you what to type to get to the quiz. If you're new, I know some people are new today. We have about 8 people new today, but it's okay. Just try your best. Answer what you think it is. And parents, if you're assisting any of your child, don't do it. Don't answer for them. You can read it. You can read it, but make sure your this thing is muted. You can read it, but do not answer it for them. Or if your child is like 5 or 6, you can help. Okay, but when it comes to the group ones, I want your child to work with a group. But we're going to do the individuals now. And let's see how they're going to do. But parents, please, don't answer their questions. I want them to try. All right, so let me share page here. All right, so I'm going to tell you what to do right now. You're going to go to www.quizlet.live. Let me see. We're going to start with numbers. We're going to do the numbers. After that, we do greetings. And then we do Igbo phrases. Because we went over last week. We did numbers, head to toe, alphabets, greetings. Okay, so, and I think I forgot to do phrases. That's why I did it now. But let's see what we can do today. So we're going to do, okay. So 1 second, it's coming. Okay, so let's see test.
What's the code?
Just 1 second, it's coming.
I have the Quizlet app. Is that okay?
Huh?
I have the Quizlet app. Is that okay?
Yeah, Quizlet.com,
Okay.
that's fine. I don't know why it's taking all this time. 1 second. This one is taking time. Just give me a second. Let me see why it's not. I don't know why it's doing this. Why does it keep going there? Give me a second. Let me see what's going on because it's not taking it. Okay. My computer is too slow. I'm sorry. Just give me a second. Oh no, why are you in the gravity? I don't want gravity.
Excuse me, Queen. Good morning.
Yes. Good morning. Good. Go ahead.
This is JJ's mom. Hello to Hagesha going to the Quizlet.
Yeah, that's once I pull it, let them go to Quizlet, www.quizlet.live.com. .live.com. Yeah. Then I'll give them the code.
Okay, so go ahead. Search.
Yeah. So once the code popped up, I'm going to give them the code.
Go to the download section.
You don't need to. It's already www.quizlet.com.
Bear with me. I have a lot in my computer, so it's just.
Let me because it's not on the computer.
Not coming up. I don't know what's going on here. Why is it not coming up?
That's the question.
What? Yeah, but I can't do it. I can't do it on tablet, but I can probably do
Yes, you can.
Okay, so. Oh boy.
It's our
What is
computer.
going
Go
on?
back to our screen.
It's giving me trouble here. 1 second. My computer is acting up. It's not doing what I am commanding to do. So this one, let me see what this can do. Somebody is just coming into the class right now. Wow. All right. So let me see if it's gonna work now. Okay, good. It's working now. All right. So we're going to do individuals now, okay? Individuals. Let me see. Okay, so let me see this. It's coming. Select. All right, now this is the code you're going to type in there. So everybody, are you on www.quizlet.live? Are you there?
Yes.
Okay, now type the code 461982.
Yes.
461982. No talking. Mute yourself. I don't want
Where are
any
they supposed
talking.
to type in the code?
You will see a space there. If you go to www.quizlet.live, LIVE, then you see 6 spaces there where you should enter your
Yeah,
code.
where are they supposed to type in? Everybody's typing in the code.
Go to
You search
quizlet.live.
up. That's what you do. It is nobody knows what's going
Okay, no, you have to mute yourself. You have to mute yourself, please, because a lot of people are in this class, 87 people. So I don't want anybody talking. Go to quizlet.live. You will still get there, even if you don't put www. So I'll give you a few minutes, 30 seconds to enter. If you miss this first one, please try to join on the next one, because if you don't join, you miss it. Now I'm going to create it's in form of a game. Let's see if everybody entered. Okay, I'm creating the game now. If you are not able to get in, no worries. You get in later. All right. So, all right, start the game. Get ready. All right, move on. No talking, but I'm monitoring how you're doing here. I see the forces, chameleons, frogs. Wow, let's see who is going to be the winner. Ha. Okay. If you didn't get in, no problem. Don't worry, just get ready for the next one. I see the hedgehogs running, probably trying to be the winner. You miss a question, it's going to move you back to 0. So try not to miss anything. I see hedgehogs and lions. Let's see who's gonna be the winner. Aha, bison and puma. Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
We have a
I
winner
won.
here, Emeka Dal, Emeka High. Good.
Dalu.
It's frog. Number 3 is the puffins. Wonderful. We have winner, second and third. Now, we're going to do it again. And I'm going to reshuffle it. Please, if you didn't win this time, try to be the winner. Okay? All right, so let me do it again. And then let others, if you didn't get in, please try to join this time. So, all right, so let me see. I give you just 20 seconds to join. If you are not able to join the first time, 20 seconds. And the code is 461982. 461982. All right, we're about to start. Okay, get ready, set, go. Try to be the winner this time. At least the top 3. Even if you're not the winner, at least second or third. Koalas. Wow, stingray. Stingray is really cruising. I love that. Peacocks. Okay. Stingray. What happened? Wolves is coming. Ha.
Why?
Yeah, you missed a question. You go back. Yay!
No, I didn't get
Gabby with a
anything wrong.
headshot. Come on,
I
everybody.
win
Don't let me play
again.
this class. Ha! Emeka won again. Second time. Zebra
One more time.
and ostrich. Okay. All right. We're going to change the game here. We're going to change the game here. But please try to do something this time. Now we're going to go to the greetings. We're going to the greetings. And now we're going to do, let me see if we have some people to get in. You have 15 seconds to get in. 461-982. 461-982. Because you have to do a group one. Okay. Ready? All right, go. Okay, kangaroo and reindeer. I see also Siberian tiger. Hedgehogs. Hedgehog is running. Somebody should make sure you overtake hedgehog. Lion. Hedgehog is also keep on going. It's likely hedgehog is going to be the winner. If you guys let hedgehog to win, and I see outcast coming.
Oh, that's better. I got ninth place.
Hedgehog, keep going, puffing. See, we have a winner. Okay, Ndidi, yeah. Ndidi is the winner. Ndidi won.
Hello.
Yeah.
Nice try.
What? What was the question?
I said nice try.
Yeah, Ndidi did very Ndidi dalo. Imero fuma dalo.
Nice try to
And
the
then
rest
I
that
want
didn't get
to chat, and then
My brother said this quiz is
now,
hard.
no more talking. I'm gonna block everybody now. No more talking. Remember, we're still taking the quiz. It's not over yet. It's not yet time for question. So we're going to do that again. But we're going to...
I'm trying to get a higher rank.
Huh?
I said I'm trying to get a higher rank.
Yes, but then you have to practice.
Me too.
You have to practice at home. And not when the time comes, that's when you're going to do it. No, you have to practice at home. That is the key. So try to practice before coming to class. Because whenever I say we have quiz, you have to do it prior coming to class. It's not something you come here and do, okay? Okay. Now let's do one more time before we do the group one. Okay, so stop game. I see some people didn't get in. Let me give them opportunity to get in. I see some names that didn't get into the class. Chukwuemeka, you're not in. Ndidi, you disconnected. What happened? Get in. So I give you guys opportunity to get in. Ezinne, Gabriel, get in. Matt, Chinua, I need you all to get in. I need you all to participate. So 10 seconds. Just try. I know some of you are new, but you need to try, okay? The code is 461982. 461982. Okay, we're about to go. All right, so only three, I'm waiting for 3 people to get in. If you are not able to, no problem. We're going to do another one. All right, go on. Nobody's moving. What's going on? Keep going. Silence. Afkas, okay. Tiger. Puffin. If you let the same person win again, something is wrong, guys. We don't want that. Puffin. Tiger. Lance.
I got a higher rank of 5th place.
If you keep talking, you're wasting your time until you win. That's what I'm looking for. You have to win. So don't talk. Try to win. Bison. T-Rex. Siberian tiger. I'm waiting for a winner. Let's, yes. Chukwuemeka, yeah, I'm glad they got in. Chukwuemeka is the winner. The winner.
Nice job.
Dollar.
Nice job.
Nice
Okay, now
job.
we're going to do Chukwuemeka email, and then I'm with Stingray and Hedgehogs, the second. Okay, so we need to do another one. Now we're going to do group. So learn to work with your group. Learn to work with your group, please. You have to work with your group. I don't want you to say, oh, no, I don't want to work with, no, you have to work with your group, okay? Please try to do that. So if you're not able to join at all, make sure you join. Make sure you join now, okay? Please. All right, so we need to change the set. Let's see how you're going to work with your group to make sure your group grabs the touch. If you don't grab the touch, another person will grab it. So don't let another person grab it. Now we're gonna do the team random. All right. We're waiting for 4 more people to join. If you don't join, I'm going to create this. And now this is the code 372179. This is a different code now. 372179. You have a minute to call, get in the class. Get in the class. Get in the class. So we have 372 in case if you are not seeing the screen. 179. Everybody join, even if you are new. I want you to try, okay? It's fun. You're gonna have fun. I want you to join. We have 89 people here, 90 people now. And I want everybody to join. Don't shy away, it's okay. It's just a quiz to know what you know. Just if you miss a lot, I encourage you to go back and practice later. Don't just go and dump it, just go practice. Okay, I'm going to create the game now. Yeah, we have different groups. All right, we have different group. Now we are moving on. The game is about to start. And if you don't answer it right, you're gonna make your team to lose. All right, go. Oh, unicorn. Sharks. The giraffes or unicorn, you bounced back. Giraffes, dolphins, moving, good. You missed a question, you're gonna go down to the valley. See, you keep on going back and forth because you keep missing it. No talking, I don't want you to distract anybody. The peacocks, the dolphins, the tigers are trying to grab that torch. You get to the end, you grab it. The peacocks, tigers, and dolphins. And now ostriches are coming. Wow, peacocks. Wow, the peacocks, it looks like, let's see what's gonna happen. I see sharks and lions and wolves. Oh, what happened, peacocks? You went from 7 to 0. Ha! Dolphins, 6. You see, you guys are not working. If you're working with your teammates, so please, work in a group. You don't know it, you don't answer that question. Let your group member answer it. But if nobody is answering, then you have to answer. Because if any of you misses it, you're gonna go down to 0. And that's why you have to learn to work in a group. Tigers, everybody work with your group, okay? If you want to be the winner. So you're learning to work as a group here. Work with your team members. I see tiger moving again. Reindeer is coming. Yeah, peacocks. You guys keep going back. Reindeer and tiger, you're stuck. You're not moving. Come on, you can do it. Dolphins, ha. It is fun. I hope you guys are having fun like me. Dolphins, you're just, I see. No, reindeers and tigers, you have to answer the question. No talking. You don't get there and don't be stuck. Keep going. If nobody in your team is going to answer the question, somebody's supposed to volunteer to answer the now. Reindeer, you bounce back. Tiger, you need to answer the question. You don't stay there.
None of the answers are correct. There's none of the answers are right.
So you answered all of them and none of them are correct?
All my answers, I got rid of them.
No talking.
They're all wrong.
You
There's
didn't
a
get the
lag.
answer.
It's so
It takes
long.
like 2 seconds.
Stop
for the-
talking. Stop talking. You're distracting. Please. Stop talking. No more talking, please, guys. It is the same question I answered before. How come it's not correct? He said none of them are correct. No, it's because somebody's answering something wrong. Don't do guesswork. If you do guesswork, then that's not how we do it. You won't learn anything that way. You have to be sure. But it don't stay there. Oh, tigers are about to win. Tigers are about to win. Tigers are about to win. Ha. Tigers are about to win. Come on, I need to have a winner here. Nobody's moving. Come on, guys, move it. Oh, don't get stuck. Tigers, I'm waiting. Just one more question and you're going to be the winner. And you're going to stay there. Giraffes are coming. And unicorns are coming. You stay there, they are going to overtake you now. And please, hedgehogs, your team, wolves, all of you need to move. Bears, camels, wolves, lions, you need to move. Tigers, you're still there. Watch out for giraffes and the unicorns. Oh, unicorns are coming and giraffes are coming. Unicorns, they're about to be the winner. They're about to be the winner. Hey, I know Jacob, Uchenna, Nnamdi, and Kelechi are the winners. Yay! Yay! And then Stingray, you know yourself. So Stingrays, Dalono. Lens, Dalono. Stingrays are second, Lens are third. The unicorns, Jacob, Uchenna, Nnamdi, and Kelechi. Bravo, bravo. Okay, numero fuma, and they won. Okay, now I have a room now for you to ask questions. Anybody who is going to ask me a question, we have only 3 minutes.
I wasn't in the game in the next round.
What happened?
I don't know.
Okay, so okay. Next time, tell mommy and daddy they need to be there to help you. Okay, Chizitel?
Yeah, I'm what I'm to.
It's too
One mom
fast.
and papa haga no there. Next time, okay? Let them help you next time. Okay, another person.
Okay.
I'm what I'm
Some is
Okay, Chisom, Jojo.
Listen.
Well, when I play Quizlet, I know the answer for the question, but the options are not there and they're not the correct ones. And I keep on waiting.
No. Okay, you know what? They are there. I want you now, after class, go there and quiz yourself by yourself. Okay? Do it alone. That way, next time. Because if the answers are not there, the unicorns they wouldn't have won. The answers are there. All you need to do, you need to know it. You have to click on it. And then this is teaching you how to work in a group, okay? It's okay, it's fun. Just don't frustrate yourself. Okay,
Afambu, Emeka, and Enwerem Ajuju, and
Enwerem Ajuju.
Enwerem Ajuju.
Emeka Ajuju.
So Igbo verbs are kind of difficult for me to understand because sometimes I hear my parents say like, oh, achorom akuko, for instance.
Achorom or achorom?
See, I can't.
Okay, now, when they say, remember, according to the dialect, some people will say achorom means I don't want, versus achogim means I don't want. Achorom means I want. Achorom, that's your dialect, and it means achogim, which is the Central Igbo. So when they say achorom, it means I don't want. When they say achogim, it's also I don't want. But due to your dialect, they speak achorom, which means I don't want. But achorom means I want. But guess what? We're going to do the verb and adverb, and then it's going to be clearer, okay? We're very clear. We haven't done verb and we haven't done adverb. We're going to do that, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. And now, please, one more person. Go ahead.
Miss Quinette, we had no power or water all this week. So
yes, I'm so sorry, okay? How are you holding on?
We just got our power back. I was able to take a shower just before class for the first time.
Is that Nisel?
Huh?
Is that Nisel I'm speaking with?
Yeah, so it was difficult to study. So I only had my notes. And
it's okay. I will post the note and don't worry about that, okay? Reach out to me, please. Text me. I want you to text me privately so that I'll remember, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, I'm so happy that you're okay now, okay?
It's 2 o'clock.
Okay, everybody, I have another class. Please text me privately. Text me. I have another class now, intermediate class. All right, I see you guys next week. Ndewono.
Hello.